Hello, for Uber?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Alright, can you confirm your name with me?
Yeah, Dylan?
Okay.
Yeah, so actually there is a little problem. I just canceled the ride
what do you
because my
mean?
card's having some issues. Is there like another way I can pay for the Uber? Like outside the app?
Well, I really do need to take payment like through the app. That's how it works.
Well, if we do it outside the app, like we'll save on commission because Uber doesn't take a cut. Is that okay?
Yeah, but the rides are insured, so I need it to be through Uber.
Yeah, but like you'll make more if you do it outside the app. Is that okay? Because I don't get paid till next week, so.
Like.
Is there another way I can pay for the Uber?
I mean, I guess I could do Zelle. Or...
Well, no, because I don't have any money. That's the problem. But I mean, I can do anything else. Like, you want me to pay another way? Like, I'm pretty talented. If you think about it, like I can do another. I can pay another way. Let's put it that way.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Are you down?
Honestly, I do really need a car wash. Can you like wash my car?
I mean, that does sound pretty fun, and you know, I could take off my shirt and lather it up, and you'd probably be pretty satisfied. But I feel like that might take a little too long.
Well, I mean, you don't need to do all of that, but I also could, honestly, I need someone to help me put my groceries away.
Nah, but I get where you're poking at. You think I'm strong and buff, and I am. But let's just say I can use my muscles a different way. I'll put it that way. To pay for the Uber.
Do you do like personal training at the gym?
We could start out with a little training session and then see where things move on after, if you know what I mean. You go on the internet much? Have you seen those videos, personal trainer, and then,
no.
Start stretching, and then,
no.
No?
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, well, let's just say there's another way if you're picking up what I'm putting down, if you're catching what I'm throwing.
You're gonna teach me how to catch and throw a football? What do you mean? Like,
let's just say if you when the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees.
Oh, you're gonna help me plant things in my garden.
You're not understanding, okay? Classic female. I get it. I mean, I don't live too far from here. Swing back over to my place after this ride and get things taken care of.
Oh.
I'll let you figure it out.
No, I
don't want to say anything out loud just in case, the government's listening or something.
Yeah, I don't do that. You need to get out.
What?
I'm gonna report you and call the police. You need to get out right now.
Police? What are you talking about?
You're harassing me.
I did nothing wrong.
You're harassing me.
No, I never said anything.
This is Uber driver harassment.
I never said anything.
You need to get out of my car.
Oh, you gotta take me.
You need to get the out of my car right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm gonna call the police right now.
Well, I did nothing wrong, so...
I'm gonna call them.
Well, I did nothing wrong.
You're harassing me and you're refusing to get out of my car. You're trespassing now.
You do not understand the law, okay?
You're trespassing in my property.
I literally took a class at the law school, so I understand. I'm pretty sure the law, all right?
Okay,
Did you even go to college? Did you even go to college?
The bar.
I'm not trying to take the bar. I'm just, I read Wikipedia on how the law works, so I'm pretty sure I understand.
This is harassment, it's bullying, it's assault, and you're trespassing in my property. So you need to get out.
Well, who are you going to vote for in the 2024 election? Joe Biden or Trump?
Obviously Biden.
What? Oh my, that explains everything. You have no logic. You're going to vote for an old, frail man? Are you joking?
You need to get out of my car.
Dude can barely speak. That's the guy you want to be your president? Where's my ice cream, Jill? Hey, bring me my ice cream. That's the guy you want to run our country? The greatest country of the Western world?